Hey, would you like to sign my petition? What? You got okay. Look, just sign the damn petition. I don't got all day. Where is the petition? Dude, that's not part of the script. Oh, where's... Oh, Mr. Stella. I don't know who's always like these things. Today's gonna be a rough day since Stella is here with me, and she was slow. Alright, let's just get the elimination over with. Today we got a total of 5 votes. And that's disappointing. Simba, you're the first one safe with 0 votes. Yippee. And oh my god, no, stop it, please. Maui is next safe with 0 votes also. What do you want? Guess I'll have to guess I better find a drop box. Here, go to like that one. Womp womp. Now, where was I at now? Okay. Pluto is the next one safe with 0 votes again. And Minnie is the next one safe with 0 votes also. Oh yeah, and let's get these things out the way. Now, I want to do this quick so Lilo's eliminated. Bye! Yeah. Okay then. Okay, I have no challenge ideas, so I guess we'll have to do one manually. Stella! Oh my god! Please! What do you want? Just sit right there, I guess. Don't show you, but not me that close. Please, stop! Okay, so I think we're... Please, for the love of God. Okay, I think we'll have to do one. Do y'all guys know Pokemon Go? Pokemon Go? That's my favorite game. Is it really your favorite game? You agree? Stella! What? Okay, so I guess we'll have to do something like Pokemon Go related. Even though I don't like Pokemon Go at all. Oh my god, please! Here, I like it, okay? I like it. Today's challenge is to, God darn it. Keep on forgetting. Oh my god. I don't want to do a challenge Okay, so let me get something straight before we do the challenge. Let me show you something. At my school, on Tuesdays, there's this thing called Pacers, and you have to run like multiple laps as possible. So why not? I do it over here. That would be fun. Wait, Pacer tests? Heck yeah. Oh crap, I'll definitely get tapped out at the last first turn. Let's go. I want to get some fit in or like, oh my god, what do I say? Okay. Now we just need that cat out the way. But he has a little blip. Hold up, I'll be right back. Okay, I think I got her distracted by a ball. So we're safe and sound for now. Now just need to always do ladies first, right? Well, does that everybody does that?